Hi and welcome back to video number 2 from ICO Expert Club program. As you remember, in the first video I showed to you what business can make you 20-50% daily, and as you remember, this is going to be trading with cryptocurrencies. And even if we are opening right now our chart, let me show it to you. For example, if you will jump here, and here, as you can see, we have 4% profit multiplied by 25 leverage. So basically you could get 100% profit. And there are, as I said, many such examples, because every single day price is going up and down for cryptocurrencies. That is why I love this business. And if we are again open our calculator, if for example you will get $300 your starting project, I mean starting investment with 20% daily for 30 days and 50% reinvest, you will get at the end of the first month close to $10,000 profit if you will do very nice trading without losses or with minimum losses. For that reason, in this video, in the second video, I want to show you actually what methods, what strategies to use to understand where to start buying and where and when to start selling your position on the markets. Because without that, if you will not understand, this is simply will be gambling. Before I will start, I just want to say that this is only my own opinion and I'm not financial advisor or whatever, so you need you have your own responsibility for your investment, and actually you can lose everything. But again, this video is only my opinion and what I see how to trade. Okay, so let's start with indicators which I'm using, basic ones but very powerful ones for you to understand when, as I say, to start buying and selling positions. I'm using, as you can see, TradingView.com. TradingView.com is a great platform, and if you will do this, the first thing you need to do is you need to find your you need to find names of cryptocurrency which you are trading. So as we are trading at BitMEX, so you need to find XBT position, and let me show it to you actually how to do this. Okay, so you simply type XBT, as you can see, and you will select Bitcoin United States dollar perpetual inverse swap contract. So we are here, and the first thing which I recommend you to do is, first thing is to add volume to your trading. For doing this, you need to go to indicators, okay, and simply type volume. Okay, I already did it, so I'm activating it. So now you can see at the bottom when is how it is trading. For example, you can see that right here is overbuying position, green one, so, and here as well. So basically after this, most likely market will go a little bit down. Here, as you can see, overselling, red one. So this is the first one, and for you to simply, as I said, understand what is going on. The second indicator which I love to use is stochastic RSI. Stochastic, as you can see right here. So we are going to add it to our chart. Okay, I'm going to move it up, and And this one indicator is one of the popular one, as I said, one of the greatest one. And for example, look here, there are a couple things to mention here. If you will edit it, you will see that let me open it. Okay, so upper band is 80% and lower band 20%. What does it mean? That means that when the trading is going lower 20%, like here or here, that's mean that market is overselling, and most likely after that the market will go up. The same is here, that if it is up 80%, that's mean that market is overbuying, and most likely shortly it will go down. Let me actually look at here. For example, look here. Okay, it went up very big one, and so if you will enter right here, which is close to 100%, then it went down and you can get a profit. Actually, don't be greedy. Don't try to get like instantly 20% or 100% with your trading. Even 5% profit is good one, and if you will do like 5 times such trainings per day, that's very good number. Even 1% profit is better than 50% losses, right? So stochastic RSI, you can actually Google and find more information about this, about how to, what does mean stochastic RSI. But as I said, this is one of the greatest one. What I also want to show you with stochastic RSI, that usually, as you can see, I'm trading in 5 minutes zone time frame. What does it mean? That means that, as you can see right here, there are candles. They are calling candles, and like this one. And one such candle means that it shows what is going on trading between 5 minutes. However, for better understanding where is the market is, you need also to check the higher time frames. For example, you can check what is going on at 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes. Okay, this is what is going on 12 minutes, because as you remember, we see here 5 minutes zone, right? Now if we see 12 minutes, you can see clearly that it is reached, for example, here the top, and market cannot hold at the top all the time. Sooner or later it will go down. The same at the lowest point, for example right here, the market cannot hold at the lowest points a very long time. As you can see after that, excuse me for my voice, it can go up. Also, I highly recommend to check higher zones, for example 1 hour and 2 hours time frame. For example, this is one such frame, excuse me, one such candle shows what's going on during 2 hours. So for you, for example, you can see what is going on per day. It was reached almost at the lowest point, as you can see. So most likely market will go up. Now, as you can see, they reached the top. So in my opinion, market has to go down. Okay, so you will understand that from this moment, for example, if we are going to trade right now, it is better to start trading with short position, which means that I'm going to sell. Okay, so I'm going to sell. When to start trading? Hey, we understand that the market will go down, so I'm going to 5 minutes back to my chart, and I will wait. Oh, excuse me. I will wait till stochastic RSI will go up right here. Okay, and from this point I will enter my short position and I will start selling. The same can be, you can check what is going on at 10 minutes and 12 minutes. The same is here. So what I will do, I will simply wait till it will reach higher RSI level, and after that I will enter my short position and we'll start selling. Okay, so this is one, as I said, one of the most powerful indicators. It is free to use, so you can start using this even right now, even today. Again, don't forget about to check what's going on in different time zones, in 5 minutes, 12 minutes and in 2 hours, so that you will see. For example, right now I will not recommend to go to the long position. It is risky because, as you can see, at 2 hours time frame, RSI level reached almost the highest level. So I will not do this. Now let's add another one indicator for today to this strategy for you to better understand, and this is going to be with the name MACD. MACD. Okay, let's move it up a little bit and let's customize it. Let's move it more up. Oh no, up. Okay, and let's customize it. Okay, we are going to use columns. Okay, this is better, and I like, for example, green color, like this one. MACD. MACD is a little bit working similar to volumes. It does shows how market is overbuying or overselling as well. So it is a little bit tricky one indicator, but if you will combine with RSIs, this is very good for you to understand. For example, what we can see from MACD right now, as you can see, market is waiting for something because there is so little volume on buying and selling, as you can see. So the market is patient, waiting for what is going to be. Is it going to be up or down? If, for example, we will do right here, so remember, stochastic RSI reached the highest level. Okay, then it is going again up. As you can see, it is also showing that MACD is volume is very big one. So for me, it will be good indicator to start entering short position, start selling, and indeed it went down. Okay, the same we can again check what is going on with another time frames. For example, in 12 minutes, what's going on. Okay, and with, for example, with 2 hours, which I like also. And if we are using 2 hours chart right now, as you can see, firstly, stochastic RSI reached the highest level, and the MACD is also at highest point, very high one. So, well, my opinion that it again will go down. Okay, so basically these two indicators are great to use for you for the beginning, and I highly recommend you to start testing it. Before we will do testing, I want to show you how to do actually trading. For example, let's go to BitMEX, and first of all, you can create test account at testnet.bitmex.com. When you will create testing account, they will give you some free virtual bitcoins. So let's say that I want to start selling right here, and right here, for example, I'm entering my quantity, let's say 10,000. Okay, now limit price, which is what is going on right now, and this is buying or selling. And as you remember, here I'm using leverage. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 25, 50 and 100. I don't recommend you to do trading higher than 25. It is too risky, but actually with test account you can do whatever you want. So let's do just for, oh, it's way higher right now, so let's do some trading. So let's do some trading right now. So I enter it short position, and it shows me how much contracts I sold it. So it is active order, sold it, and here it shows me how much percentage ROI do I have. When you will click, the most important here is to see right here, because here will show you actually in detail how much profit you are making. For example, at this moment minus 1%. Okay, and okay, so we entered this position. Now you can close it wherever you want, right here at what price. So if we enter it, like let's say at this price, I'm going, let's say, and put the price let's say 20, I'll let 15. So I'm going to close it at that price, and at that price we will need to wait when the market will go down and reach that point. Okay, so as you can see, some contracts already sold at that price. Don't forget that testing account is a little bit tricky one, but this is good one trading for the beginning, for you to better understand how this platform is looking one. And let's see, yeah, as you can see, it is going a little bit more and more down, so we are in profit at this moment. Okay, now if something is going to be wrong, yes, somebody bought, okay, what you can also do here, for example, for you to understand, let's say that something is going to be extra emergency and the market is going very fast up or down. You can click here market, and this order will be selling instantly at the market price. Okay, so for you, what I recommend you to do is, first of all, is open trading view account. All right, then start add stock RSI, MACD. Secondly is open a BitMEX account, test one account, that you can do trading over there, and you will understand how this system is looking one. Secondly, and lastly, what I also want to show you today is how to use stop limit. Stop limit is, for example, this right here, stop market. For example, let's do example. We enter it position right here. Okay, we enter it short ones, that means that we are selling. However, what will be if something will extra emergency and market will go up, for example, to this level? For that reason, we can use stop limit, where we will say that if the price will reach this high level, okay, then you can sell, for example, all your position or whatever position you want to sell. In such case, you will lose something, but you will lose very little one. For example, let's say 5%, 10%. It is up to you how much you want to lose. Let me show you how to do this. For example, stop market. We do have quantity right here. So we're saying, for example, if the market will reach this price, then yeah, start selling all our contract, and you can find this right here. Okay, so we are having here our position at this moment, and if something will go wrong, this will use stop loss. Alright, so basically that's it. Don't forget that you can also do trading simpler on paper. Simply, let's say that you want to start selling right now, write down this price, wait how it is going on, and then you will see are you in profit or not. And do this couple days on paper or in testing account at BitMEX, that you will again feel comfortable what is going on. Don't try to do live trading right now before I will release another videos that you will see another different strategies, indicators which can help you with tradings. But even this 2-1 stochastic RSI and MACD is great, as I said, for you to start trading. Again, don't forget to check different times frames, 5 minutes, 12 minutes and 2 hours time frame, that you will understand where the market is at this moment and when to start trading. Every time when you are entering any position, you need to clearly answer why you did this trading, why you entered this short one or long one, because in such a, if you can answer that clearly, then you will understand what is going on, and you will not lose your money, that you will be in profit position. Okay, so basically that's it for today. Let's summarize it again. First one, create account in TradingView. Secondly, add stochastic RSI, MACD. Okay, next, open test account in BitMEX and start do tradings on paper and on the BitMEX. Alright, meanwhile, thanks for watching this video. On the next video I'm going to show you another one strategy for trading that you will again will help you to understand how you can do tradings. And basically that's it for today. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.